So far with the verb hacer, we've used it for speaking in the present and also in the future. Next up, we need to look at how we would use it in the past. And as we know, using the past tenses in Spanish is a little bit trickier because we have to conjugate more. Now, this first past tense that we'll look at is the dot past. So basically it would be I did. So to say I did, it would be hice, hice. Again, the pronunciation starts here from the I, which as we know is always pronounced as an E in Spanish. So we have hice, hice. Now this is highly irregular because normally with the dot past in Spanish, we get an accent over the E when speaking about I in the past for this dot. But this is an irregular verb, so it's going to go its own way a little bit differently. So for I did, it's very important that we remember that we're going to use hice. How would you say I did it? Lo hice. Lo hice. I didn't do it. No lo hice. I did it like this. Lo hice así. He wants to know if I did it yesterday. Quiere saber si lo hice ayer. Yes, I did it last night. Sí, lo hice ayer en la noche. Next up, we want to express you did. So again, the dot past you did. For that, we would say hiciste, hiciste. Let's break this one down, starting the pronunciation from here, E, and then hiciste, hiciste. So together we have hiciste for you did, or remember, you made. How would you say you did it? Lo hiciste. You didn't do it. No lo hiciste. It's good that you did it. Es bueno que lo hiciste. It's good that you didn't do it yesterday. Es bueno que no lo hiciste ayer. How would you ask, why didn't you do it for me? ¿Por qué no lo hiciste para mí? What about asking, when did you make it? ¿Cuándo lo hiciste? I want to know the truth now. Did you do it? Quiero saber la verdad ahora. ¿Lo hiciste? Let's briefly recap now. To say or express I did, it would be hice, hice. I did it, lo hice. I didn't do it, no lo hice. To say you did would be hiciste. You did it, lo hiciste. Or you didn't do it, no lo hiciste. We have also the angle of he, she, and it. So he did, she did, or it did. Now to express that, again, it's very irregular. We say hizo, hizo. So hizo means he did or he made, and also the same for she and it. How would you say he did it? Lo hizo. He didn't do it. No lo hizo. He didn't do it for me. No lo hizo para mí. How would you say she made it for them? Lo hizo para ellos. To express something like at 2 o'clock, it would be a las dos. A las dos. So a las dos means at 2 o'clock. Try to say now, she did it at 2 o'clock. Lo hizo a las 2. She made it at 2 o'clock. Lo hizo a las 2. To express once would be una vez. Una vez, literally one time, and they use that to express once. Una vez. Try to say, he did it once. Lo hizo una vez. To say just once, it would be solo una vez. Only one time. Solo una vez. They use that for just once. Try to say, he did it just once. Lo hizo solo una vez. To express and never again, it would be y nunca más. Literally, and never more. Y nunca más means never again. Try to say, he did it just once and never again. Lo hizo solo una vez y nunca más. Let's recap this information now. Remember that we're speaking inside of the dot past. So the dot past has a specific ending. So I did it once, or I did it yesterday, I did it last night, I did it at 10 o'clock. It's a dot. So we have I did. How would you say I did? Hice. You did. Hiciste. And he, she, or it did. Hizo.